reception of the hotel is superb and guests love walking around in the neighborhood. There are four types of rooms available on booking.com. You can book online and enjoy it. You can see more than 100 reviews of this hotel on booking.com. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. The check-in time of this hotel is 4 p.m. The check-out time is 11 a.m. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The hotel accepts credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests are required to show a photo ID and credit card at check-in. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet